What's going on, guys? I'm sure most of you have been wondering what exactly I'm doing here in Colorado Springs, if you haven't figured it out already. But basically, a few weeks ago, I got invited to compete at the minus 57 kilogram Olympic alternate fight-off that is happening this weekend here at the USA Taekwondo Center, and couldn't pass up that opportunity. So not only is this going to be my first tournament back since COVID happened, this is going to be just a really big level tournament for me to compete at as well. So I'm just really looking forward to just being able to get back in the ring, but also having the chance to kind of fight at this higher level event as well. So really excited for this weekend. But yeah, that's basically what I'm doing here in Colorado. I came here a little bit early just to kind of get used to the altitude, and because I've never been here in Colorado, so just wanted to make sure I adjusted okay, just kind of get used to training here. But it's also just been a lot of fun. We've been able to really just kind of enjoy our time here, just kind of sightsee a little bit, go on some hikes, all that good stuff. But I also want to give a big shout out to 2020 Armor for helping sponsoring part of this trip. They're definitely helping out a lot. But then you guys know I use those vests quite a bit with my own training back at home. They're really useful, especially if you train by yourself, all the different training modes. But you guys have seen them in several videos before. Definitely go give them a follow and go check out their stuff. Their vests are definitely super useful if you're training. But I do hope you all have been enjoying some of my posts while I've been here in Colorado. If you don't follow me on Instagram, definitely go follow me on there. I've been making quite a few different posts of the different things I've been doing, the training, all that good stuff. Definitely make sure you go follow me on there. I'm just really looking forward to getting back in the ring again at the end of the day. So thank you all so much for watching the video. I do hope you all enjoyed it. I'm going to end it off with a bunch of training footage, so if y'all will enjoy watching that as well. Thank you all for the continued support. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side. Have me by your side when the sun sets. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high.
Tell them what your name is. Fight for the speedhouse light.
Star tonight. You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side. Have me by your side when the sun sets. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally.